Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to enable stolen device protection on your iPhone iOS 18. Uh, now iPhone has provided with extra security so that if your device is stolen, then it will delay all the detail. Which means if you try to change the password and anything like that, then it will ask for the security delay, and it will add Face ID on while you try to change anything on your device. So it will provide extra layer security layer to your iPhone. So if you want to add turn on the stolen device protection, so how you can do that. So before doing that, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version on your iPhone iOS 18. For this, you have to simply go to General, and after that, you have to simply click on Software Update, and after that, you have to check for software update that you have installed the latest version. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply look for Face ID and passcode here. And after that, you have to simply provide the passcode. And after providing the passcode, what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of stolen device protection. As my stolen device protection is on, as you can see, if I try to turn off my stolen device protection, it asks for security delay, which means if you try to turn off the stolen device protection, it will take 1 hour. So you have to make sure that. Moreover, you can also set for settings whether you want to require security delay away from the location or always. So you can simply set the setting. Moreover, you can this stolen device protection will help you with the extra security layer, which means if someone try to steal your data or try to change your passcode, an extra security delay is required so that your device is protected. So in this way, you can simply turn on the stolen device protection on your iPhone iOS 18. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.